we are gonna teach you how to do the deck belt on this 72-inch Scag Cheetah. Pretty simple, really. The only thing you should need is a 1/2-inch ratchet. Now you're really gonna wanna start this with your deck as low as possible. And what we are going to do is this belt. This is the top belt. This belt runs your left side spindle and your center spindle, and the bottom belt runs your right side spindle. And this is very, very straightforward. So all we're gonna do is we're going to take the ratchet and put it in this square hole. Like so. And with that ratchet in that square hole, we can just pull it. It'll release some of that spring tension, and then you're gonna take your belt off here. Now be careful, because this spring is a very, very heavy spring. And you can take your belt off of this pulley over here before you release it. So what we're gonna do is come to the back of the machine. We're gonna get this belt off of this PTO. We're gonna pull it through here, and then we're gonna move this spring just a little bit and then pull it through. And then, with a little finagling, our belt should come out real quick. So we got our new belt. I'm gonna put this through, up this way, and throw it on towards the front. And then same thing, but backwards. It's gonna get fed down. And then I will show you that it gets put up and wrapped around this pulley right there. Make sure it's not caught between. So at this point, if you are replacing the other belt, if you're replacing that lower belt, it's really the same thing, except you're going to be releasing this one. Same thing, 1/2-inch drive. After you get off the top belt, you can take this one off, and then you can route the belt. At least I can show you the belt routing if yours is lost. You have belt routing right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this top belt put back on. This belt comes around the pulley here. And around our idler. This again. It is a heavy spring. Put it on. And that's really the whole thing. So belt comes from the right side up here, along down, gets wrapped around, goes to that spindle, comes back, and then wrapped around that idler, back to the PTO. And you're done.